Well, it's time to unbox the big score. Picked it up on what I call Kijiji, and I guess in the States they call Craigslist. It's a Dewalt DC411B angle grinder, 1.25" cordless cutoff tool. This got it for $85. It retails probably around 130 on Amazon, Canadian, but that's substantial. You know, it looks kind of brand new. You know, it takes the post style batteries, and I don't think the guy must have been a mistake when he bought it to thinking it was the regular style. It comes with a wrench. It comes with a blade. And the post style battery, I don't have any, but I went on Amazon and bought this adapter. As you can see, for the post style, I got a Milwaukee battery on it, which I have an old Milwaukee tool, but since let's try it out. It works. I didn't buy it for angle grinding. The main reason why I bought this is to do blades to get us is to use a floppy disk to get a floppy disk. Use it to get a floppy disk to do my blades, my lawnmower blades. Probably should take it off, but as you can see, it's fairly brand new. Oh, I think there it runs. With the trusty, I can always change out to, I gotta set Dewalt batteries, bigger batteries, but I gotta use up these Milwaukees, you know, run them out. I don't, because they are useless because I got all Dewalt tools. So that is my big score here. This is EC411, and I'm glad I got it. Well, it's a tool, cheap tool than buying a newer stand, but for something that's going to stay in the shed all the time, and use it temporarily. Oh, that's it.